Hello everyone, this is Maryann. Welcome to my online class. So I'm gonna show you my MH Evolution eyebrow. The first thing I do, I shaping her eyebrow. Now I'm gonna start to do the hair. Everything I start on the tail. Start from the bottom of the eyebrow. I stretching with the napkin. This is very good napkin. It's easy to stretch the skin. It's very important. And I start from the bottom and I work in my way up. You always have to shaping the hair and learn how to do all the parent before. So my class will start on September the 15th. So if you're interested, you can sign up for now because the space is limited and we don't have a lot of room. So if you want to learn the new technique, please sign up now. MH Evolution eyebrow, the difference is you work from the bottom. You can control the pressure of the skin better, and it less traumatized to the skin. It works with any type of skin, and it's very good for the customer if they have any problem, like diabetes, or they have like cancer. If they on the chemo, you still can work with this technique because it's very gentle. Okay, so this is how you design the eyebrow shape, and then after this I'm gonna start to cutting the eyebrow. So MH Evolution eyebrow technique, I will start the class September the 15th. So hurry to sign up before the class is sold out. Thank you. Okay, so the most important on my MH Evolution eyebrow is number one is stretching. Stretching is very important to get a perfect detailed stroke and clear hair stroke. So I use two of the napkin. This one is special napkin. I use this one like a towel for the hair salon. I hold this two position. I stretching the skin up, and then I start from the tail. So you always have to learn all the parent first. And I use the liquid PMU pigments. You can use the microblading pigment also, but this pigment is very good for this type of work. So I dip the needle in there for a little bit, and then I continue working fast. I go. So the first one, the second one will be right next to where it's smear. So that's why I like the liquid, because you can see better. You work in your way, you continue moving your hand, and then you go and work this way, go, and then continue, go, and slow cut. I call this one is my main stroke, the 6-second stroke. So I just continue working my way up, one at a time. Very slow, and continue working my way all the way up here until I complete the whole entire eyebrow. Moving your hand position is very important because you want to make sure it's stretching properly. And then I turn it to like a little rectangle. Go from here, and then I start to going down. You don't want to be a straight line. You can turn your hair like a little C, and then you turn around. Stop right here. I go to the next one, and then I complete. So the first one I don't touch, and then I stop. Continue moving my hand away from that one, and then I go, and then I continue going the next one, then I go down. So one at a time, just working my way. And then I go to the next one, and then I go down, and then I continue working to the front of the head of the eyebrow, and then I go one more right here, and then I will stop. So that's all I'm gonna do, and then I will show you the ending. I use some coconut oil, and I put it on, and I rub it in, and I let it soak for a second. I will start to do the next one, and then I come back. Okay, so after I finish the cutting, I soak in the color in for about 5 minutes, and then I put some coconut oil in there, rubbing on it, and then I start to clean it out. So this is how you see the after result. I use some antiseptic bacterial wipe. I like it better than baby wipe, but it's also clean and sanitize her skin. She have like skin type between 2 and 3, a more neutral color. So I use some more like a honey color in there. I mix with the dark color iris coffee. So So you can see all the cut is very clear and nice and defined. She doesn't want crazy eyebrows. She's looking for something very natural. That's why the MH evolution technique is very good for her. You have to make sure you clean everything well, completely out, so then it doesn't stand on the skin. So see every single stroke in there is nice and clear. Just be gentle when you clean the skin, so you don't want to get the skin traumatized. But very soft color for my clients. I can show you her hair color. So she have like a level 6 on her hair color, and then she had the darker blonde highlights, and then she also have a color on her hair about level 7. So that's why I don't want too dark on my beautiful clients. I don't want her to cry, and just clean it very well, make sure that it's nothing stain on the skin. Because you send them home, you want to be very safety and clean, so they don't have to do anything after 24 hours. My aftercare very simple. I don't do anything, just let it air dry and heal itself, because this technique is very natural. You can take a look, Mama. You can open your eyes and you can see what you can. The mirror right there next to you. You can use the cloth and wash it out a little bit. There's still some colors there on the skin, make sure you get them all out on the head of the eyebrow right there. So it's all nice and perfect for her when she go home. So you got fabulous eyebrow. What do you think?
Like it.
You only like it? Yes, you love it.
Love it. Love it.
So you see, happy client, happy Maryann. I always do my job very nice and very safe, and I create the most natural eyebrow for my clients. I believe to Mother Nature, and I don't want to do something too crazy. Of course, you always have to let the customer sit up so you can check every pressure, and you have to make sure you check every single thing before you send them home. Okay, so that's MH Evolution. If you want to learn my technique, don't forget to sign up for my class. It's on September the 15th. It's my trial. Everybody can go there and get some information. Thank you so much, guys.